What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change your firmware, version and your model for the Nox Android emulator. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and I will get back to you. So first of all, close your emulator and open up your file explorer. Here, go to the drive on which you saved Nox on, usually on your C or D drive. Go to your program files and here should be a folder called Nox. Navigate to bin and then open up the multiplayer manager. Once the application opened up, you can select to add a new emulator with a different firmware here. This will take a few minutes to download and install. After that's complete, start it with this button here. To change your device model, open up your emulator and select this gear icon at the top right. Open the third tab and select your phone or tablet model. To find information about your model and firmware, go to your settings, about tablet, and here you can check out everything you need. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.